Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to add games to your EA library. First, launch the EA app and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to head over to the My Collection tab. This is where all your existing games reside. If you've purchased a game from another retailer, you'll typically use the redeem code feature to add it to your collection. It's a straightforward process to expand your gaming options. To redeem a game code, look for the Redeem Code button, often found in the top left menu or under your profile. A window will pop up where you can type in your unique game code. Double-check the code for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, the game will be automatically added to your My Collection, ready for download and play. It's a quick way to get new titles. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can guide you. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup. First, always ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak signal can cause problems. Next, meticulously recheck your game code for any potential typos or missed characters. If you've tried these steps and the game still isn't appearing, don't hesitate to reach out to EA's customer support. They are there to help resolve any persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.